just got back from the store and I got this piggy and this monkey from Dollar Tree. Now let's do an unboxing. Right, let's open it. Alright, let's open it. Look, guys, a monkey. Alright, let's open the other one. Alright, let's open them. I just got the piggy right here. And I got now both. And I got an extra one that is gonna be next in another video. Or I'm gonna give it away. So it's a piggy like this one but different color. Alright, so you guys can get these at Dollar Tree. They're $1. And yeah, they're not expensive at Dollar Tree. Alright, Dollar Tree. Bye guys. Goodbye.